Let's talk about me this time. Today, we want to see how me can attach to other letters. You remember that me had two different shapes, lowercase or small and capital. Lowercase, like all the other lowercase, most of them actually, comes at the beginning and in the middle, both. And it has to attach from here to other letters to the next letter. And sometimes depending on the letter before that, it can attach from here. What about capital one? Well, capital one can come alone or sometimes depending on the letter before that, attach from here and always at the end. Now let's see how they look like in the actual words. Well, look at them. At the beginning, in the middle, attached from both sides. In the middle, just attached from one part, and separately at the end. It can be attached, but right now we just had the separate one as example. It doesn't matter, you know how to deal with it in the future. I will let you know. Now, look at it. Of course it's attached from here. It has no choice. The first one is medad. Medad. Medad is the same as pencil in English. Medad, pencil. Next one, which are me attached from both sides. It has to attach to se, we know that, and it has to attach to a because me itself has to. Aseman, you know this one, right? Aseman. Aseman is the same as sky in English. Aseman. Now this one. Me has to attach to the letter that comes before that. And here it doesn't attach to ze because ze doesn't want to. You know that too. Read it with me. Zamin. Zamin. Zamin is the same as earth in English. Zamin, earth. That round thing that we live on it. And the last one, look, it comes at the end and doesn't attach. Why? Because a doesn't want to attach. Read it with me. Badam. Badam. You know, if I wasn't here, you could actually read this one. You know this, and now this. Badam. Badam is the same as almond in English. Almond. Let's see what we have for practice. Well, as you can see, super easy. 1 or 2 lines of this for practice, 1 or 2 that one. And what we do, we show the part that they can attach to other letters with another color. Just try to write each one of them just once, no pressure. We want to see how it looks like, how it goes, new experience. And the main one, instead of saying pencil, we say medad. Instead of saying sky, we say asaman. Instead of saying earth, which I don't think you really use it that much, but anyways, instead of saying earth, we say zamin. And instead of saying almond, we say badam. When you did it, you know, comment. Any questions, again, comment. Hit the subscribe button and see you next session. Bye.